So what is going on, everybody? Junior with S.O.T. Metalworks coming at you. We got a setup going on today. That's right. Something different than science. Look at this, would you? AR500 steel targets everywhere. And we're not quite done setting up yet. We still got a few more things to do. Get some more stuff out. Got a few fire pits out. Got our dueling tree out. Get out of the sun here just a touch. But yeah, got our dueling tree out. Everything's working good with it. Got our hostage target out. It's our new plate rack, cheap plate rack setup deal. We've got our brackets on here and everything. All this stuff right here, AR500 steel. Everything looking good on it. Got our little hanging brackets, chains for our target tree and everything. Stakes to pin them all down with. Got a few signs out here today. All your hanging plates. These are your poppers here, or knockovers I mean. This is how they operate. Of course they fall. Everything. But yeah, that's what we got going on today. And we are at Irvington Sportsman's Club. They're still doing a little dirt work on the berms and stuff. Still trying to square everything away. But yeah, these guys are just getting here. Getting everything set up. So I'll bring you some stages and everything, and we will get after it for sure. But yeah, hoping to have a great time. Hoping to have a great day. Maybe we'll make a little money while we're at it. So you guys stick with us. And so as you can tell, this is a little behind the scenes, and nobody ever gets to see just how much work is involved in all this setup at these matches and stuff. These guys are down here working like crazy. It's already started to get hot. Sun's popping out. How you doing, Steve? Famous, yeah.
Worldwide.
This is the match director of Irvington Sportsman's Club.
No. That's that fella right over there.
Now, we're just showing all these fine folks just how hard you guys work at doing this.
Yeah, we love what we do.
It's a lot of work just to play around. Fun, fun, fun. So we got one of our stages. They're starting to set up here and everything. But here at Irvington, we do a lot of defensive pistol stuff. What would you do in certain situations? And today, well, would you look at there? So yeah, you're gonna be protecting your baby while you're running this stage. And that's how that works. Trained for a real life scenario type deal. These are not sanctioned matches. This is just a bunch of guys getting together, having a good time. Running drills that you would normally use in a day-to-day situation. Always backing up, never going towards the threat. Or trying to evade the threat however you can. So, but yeah, we're getting after it. There's the man, the myth, the legend, Scott, right there. Alright guys, so here's one of the stages they're going to set up today. We've got 4 knockovers. They're fixing to get some paint out, get some paint on them and everything. Got 2 knockovers there, 2 knockovers there. And we have our fine and dandy shooting star. So here's the plates that go on there. And I probably can't do this one-handed, so let me try to set this joker like this. So you can put these on here. They go in around holes there. No big deal, no big issue. This is a S.O.T. Metalworks special here. But as you can see, and she took a little beating, but this thing's probably got, oh my lord, it's been used in so many matches. I think this is the 3rd year this thing's been ran. And all the center here and everything, it's all mild steel. And these paddles and everything are AR500. They get used for different things at these matches. So, but yeah, you'll put 5 on there and everything. and it just spin around. And that joker will get with it. Of course, this will be a stationary target when you have all 5 paddles on, and as soon as you knock one off, this joker gets to rotating left and right, up and down. It gets crazy. But not a bad deal. We sell these made to order. Normally don't have these in stock. They're such a big, bulky item, it's hard to keep them in the shop. But yeah, if you guys are looking for one of these, look me up, shootersoptiontargets@gmail.com. We'll get you squared away. Shipping on this is going to be outrageous, just so you guys know. But yeah, that's their stage they got here. Well, they don't have the other ones set up quite yet. We'll walk over and see what they got, but starting to get a few more vehicles here, and a few more people showing up, helping and stuff. I've been setting up, getting crazy, and we'll be back with you here in just a second. See what else we get. All right, guys, we're back over here on Bay 2 here. Got our, I got the firing point set up. 3 positions. Got all your knockovers. Still holding up like a champ. We do build these targets here. They've got, God bless, I'd be scared to say how many rounds is on this thing, on these targets. I mean, I bet some of them's pushing 20,000 rounds on these targets. It's it's crazy. But yeah, down here shooting, just having a ball. So I don't know for sure yet if I'm gonna shoot today or not. Kind of worried about the customer thing, dealing with that stuff and everything, and it's going to be extremely hot today. I think temperature today is supposed to get up to 90, so yeah, not looking forward to that, but what do you do?
You're definitely using cover. So you don't want to put your foot out past that. That stays. I think I got unless he's dead. He's dead. Dude, he's dead. You don't miss. Don't worry about it.
If I had her memory, I could go blaze through this.
Yeah, that's a good thing about today. It might be fun.
She's trying to poke through the window too, like you.
It's hard to visualize where that window is. It's really hard to, the depth perception.
It's all of it that's not green. That's hard to see.
Very difficult depth perception. Well, it depends where you are.
Green, orange, blue.
Like if you're in the orange, but if you're there,
Hey, shoot one bullet out of there.
I can start wearing gloves now. I get red. Level 7.
We'll see 500.
I shot one last time. Heck, I'm standing there waiting for him back up. So, like, you last one, take the top. That's what everybody wants to step out of cover. He told us cover doesn't matter on this. Step out. That sucker gets a wheel on the other. If you stop though, that's the good thing about it. Momentum's gonna, it'll hit you.
they down here having a blast. We've got first-time shooters. We've got shooters just getting started, really. We've got people who's been doing this for years. We've got older gentlemen that are retired that just come out, hang out, have a great time, the whole 9 yards. So, have a good time down here at Irvington's Pistol Match today. So it's pretty cool. We're selling a few things, doing good, and having a ball watching these stages. So you guys should come out and hang out with us sometime. All right, later, guys.
Are they grumpy like the old man? Place over here, you can have a good time.
Not sure if I got traffic.
Back and forth on the wall, except for the stop.
Any of them?
All right, everybody. Sorry if the wind's getting on you there. We have had a ball here today. I'm extremely wore out. But yeah, just want to finish this video up. Thank you guys for tuning in and everything. If you like our stuff, reach down there and hit the subscribe button. Maybe more of these videos to come, don't know. But reach over there, hit that like button, let us know. Leave us a comment down below. Tell us what you think, what you didn't like, what you did like, whatever it may be. So catch us up on Instagram if you get a chance. I got the wife running the Instagram. She's doing a good job on that too. But all right, guys, we're gonna get out of here for the day. Hope y'all appreciate watching this video. Thank y'all so much. We out.